create Play Console developer account for Google AI Studio. So all that you have to do is simply go to Google, then come and search for Google AI Studio and then hit enter. When it comes, simply come and then select the official site of Google AI Studio by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Google AI Studio platform. Okay. And then from here, all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the build under it. You see that I have apps here. Come and then click on it. So all the apps that you have built will come over here. All that you have to do is simply come and then select any Android app that you have built and come and click on it. So it's going to open just like this. Come and click on the skip, and it's going to open the app just like this. So when you look at the top right hand corner, you're going to see that I have publish here. Come and click on the publish. Okay. So when you click on the publish, it's going to bring you right here. And then from here, you have the option to simply come here and then come and then get started by simply click on get started. Okay. So when I click on it, I have to come and then select a Gmail account, and then it will bring you right here. Then simply come and then click on create account. So after clicking on it, it is going to bring you right here where you can come and then create your Play Console account. Beside it, you can also go directly to Google, and then from Google search, simply come and then type in Google Play Console just like this and then hit enter. So when it comes, simply come and then select the first one. Okay, by clicking on it, it's going to bring you right here as well, whereby you can simply come and then create your Google Play Console account. So we have it in two folds. Okay, we have for an organization just like this, and then we also have it for yourself just like this. So you are going to go with yourself and simply come and then click on get started. So when you click on it, it's going to open just like this. So you first need an email address, you need a contact phone number, and then you are going to fill the form whereby you are going to pay $25, okay, USD. Then you are going to verify your identity. So let's get right into it. All that you have to do is come here and then come and click on the continue, and then you are going to need your legal name, okay, and then you are going to need your legal address as well. You are going to need a website. I'm going to take you through all of it, okay, and then simply come and then click on the next. So over here, the first thing is that you need a developer name, okay, a name that is going to show up on Play Store. So I'm simply going to go with NDK just like this. Then I'll come and click on the next, okay, and then over here is going to bring you right here whereby you have to create a payment profile. So come and then click on create or select payment profile. And if you have one, to show up just like this, but I'm simply going to check the circle to create a new one. You can always create a new one. Okay. And then come and click on continue, and you have to come and then select your country. You put in your full name. After that, your street address. This one is optional, so you can leave it as it is. Come here to the city, the state, and then the zip code. So make sure that you fill everything. And after that, simply come and then click on the save. Okay, so after clicking on the save, it is going to save, and then come and click on the next. Okay, and over here you need a developer email address. That's the public one that they can use to contact you. You can put anyone just like this and come and click on verify email address. They'll send you a code, come and paste it right here and then click on verify, and then the email address is going to be verified. After that, come and then check this box to acknowledge the agreement, and then come and then click on the next. Okay, it's going to bring you right here, and you have to come and then tell them something about you, something small. You can simply say anything small about you inside this box, and then when you are done, simply come here. Then you have to come and then tell them that you have created a Play Console account within the past 6 months. So if you haven't, if you have, you can choose yes. If you haven't, you can choose no. So I'm going to select no because I haven't created one before. Okay, after selecting it, the next thing is that you need a website. So if you don't have a website yet, you have to leave this one. You can upload it later. You can update it later by simply coming to check this box that you don't actually have a website. Okay, so after checking the box, and then all that you have to do is that later you have to come and then add your personal website. Okay, and then come and then click on the next. So after that, over here, it's going to bring you right here to the app. So they're going to ask you the number of apps that you plan to publish. Okay, you can come and click on this down arrow, and then over here you can come and select any. So I'm going to select 2 to 5 within the next 12 months. Okay, it is okay. And after that, over here, do you plan to earn from your app? So if you plan to earn from your app, you can come and then choose the yes. We all plan to earn from the app, so select the yes. After that, over here, all that you have to do is simply come and then choose how you plan to and from the app. So the best one is the ads for now. So check the box to select the ads. Okay, after that, simply come here, and then over here, the app category, you have to take your time and then check each box based on the app that you're going to upload on Play Store. Okay, so you can take your time, go through and then check each box, but I'm not going to upload any of these. So I'm going to check none of the above, just like this. And after that, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the next. Okay. It's going to bring you right here. So over here, you need to come and then put in your legal name that they are going to use to contact you. Okay. So the contact name, you can put in your legal name just like this. That is why Play Store is going to use to contact you. And then the contact email address, too, you can put in your private personal email address. That is what they are going to contact you with. And then verify the email address. Okay. And then over here, this one, the preferred language, you can come and then click here and then select the language that you prefer. Okay. So I'm simply going to select English by clicking on it so that English will be selected just like this. So after selecting the language, all that you have to do is simply come here to the contact number and then come and put in your contact, original contact phone number, and then make sure that you bring the plus and then the country code. Okay. Then come and then click on the next. And over here, you have to come and then check the box to agree to their terms. You simply check the box and then simply come here as well. Check the box to confirm. And you can come and then check this box. It is optional, but you can check it just like this and then check this box as well. Okay, so when you are done, all that you have to do is simply come here and then make sure to read this. It is very important. Okay, so after reading it, over here, you are going to pay 25 USD in order to register. Okay, so make sure that you have it. Then simply come and then click on create account and pay. So over here, you have to come and then pay it. Okay, it's a one-time fee that is $25. Now you're going to pay. Simply come and then click on add credit or debit card. Okay, just come and then click on it so that you can come and then add your card details just like this. And after that, come and click on the pay. And that is it. You'll be paid. And then all that you have to do is simply come and then click on go to play console. And that is it. You have successfully created your account. So when you come here, you see that before you be able to upload an app, you have to come and then verify your account. Okay. And for that one, we are going to do it in the next video. So like the video and then see you in that video next.